I got this Fisher Paykel oven. The customer's complaint is that this part came off for induction. Of course, the knob, everything came off, and it's located right here. In order to replace it, you have to remove 4 screws from the back and this side. Of course, you need to pull the unit out to do this. You remove all of those 4 screws. It lifts up, bring it a little bit to the front, push it to the back, and then from there you can keep it on one side sideways. You work on it from there. You can disconnect the wire, reconnect the new switch. Do not forget to add this piece back in, because this piece goes first, and then the switch assembly, this sits on top of that plastic bracket, and then you have to add your screws back in. The reason these screws came off and this encoder switch was dropped down, because it was stripped. It was loose or stripped, so I wanted to reinstall these screws back in. Unfortunately, on the new switch it did not work, so I had to use different kind of Robertson screw, and it goes right there inside. It's almost touching the other screw, but at least the switch is held in place properly. There's no movement, and this bracket is also in place. You can add your knob back in, and here you go. It's good. And the model and serial number on this unit is right there. Right there. And remember to pull it out. These are heavy oven. You want to add a sheet or protection on the floor. Unplug it, and then you can do the rest from there. Thank you.